Hey guys, welcome back. So ayun guys, may birthday greeting si former Vice President Attorney Leni Robredo para kay Miss Angel Locsin na parehong nag-celebrate ng kanilang birthday noong April 23, 2025. So ito guys, shinare ni Miss Angel Locsin ayan, sa kanyang Facebook. No? So sabi dito, sharing this birthday greetings from VP Lenny for Angels. It's also VP Lenny's birthday today. Happy birthday, VP Lenny Robredo. Two inspiring women celebrating life and purpose. No? So, ito guys, panoorin po natin.
And communities. Pero more than that, hi Angel, happy birthday to us. Gusto ko lang kunin yung opportunity while greeting you a happy birthday to tell you how much I admire you as a person. Nakita ko how you have been helping the communities. Pero more than that, yung nakausap kita for the first time sa bahay mo, nakita ko kung gaano ka-upright na tao. And from that time on, yung admiration ko sa iyo, lalo lang lumabi. Ikaw yung isang tao na you give so much of yourself. Walang iniinda na pagod, sakripisyo ng lahat. Basta makatulong lang sa iba. And I know you will keep on doing that kasi galing talaga sa puso. Pero please know how much you inspire people, including myself, dahil sa kabutihan ng team. So thank you also for the support you have been giving us. Also, please know that it's very much appreciated and valued. I hope you enjoy your birthday. Alam ko busy ka ngayon, pero I hope you still get to celebrate your birthday with the people you love the most. Happy birthday!
So yun guys, ang birthday greetings ni former Vice President Attorney Leni Robredo, no, para kay Miss Angel Locsin. So happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. No? So talagang sobrang nakaka-inspired itong dalawang ito. No?